Hey everyone, welcome back to Marica in the World, where we talk real life, real love, and real awkward transitions from bestie to bae. Today's topic, that big, bold, beautiful, and kinda scary leap from friends to lovers. Aww. Yep, we're talking about those moments where your heart suddenly goes, wait, I think I like them. And not just in a passing the remote kind of way. So how do you go from sending memes to sending I like you texts? That's what we're unpacking today. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe to Marica in the World, and check out my new apparel shop, Marica's Market, because if you're going to risk it all, at least look cute while you're doing it. The link's in the description. So what are the signs that the friendship might be more? Let's talk about the signs you might be more than just platonic friends. First of all, they light up when you walk in the room. They remember your weird coffee order and your mom's birthday. There's physical touch, like lingering hugs or playful pokes, and it feels kind of electric. And you catch them looking at you a little too long. These subtle clues often mean there's something simmering under the surface. You're not imagining it. Well, unless you are. So let's figure that out. You need to know why you want to make the move. Before you confess your love over sushi night, ask yourself, do I genuinely see a future with this person, or am I just lonely and bored? Clarity is key, because once that line is crossed, it's tough to go back. If your feelings come from a real place, not just proximity or comfort, it's time to consider the leap. So how do you have the talk? Okay, it's time. The feels are real. So how do you break the news without breaking the friendship? Start with vulnerability. Start with, I've been thinking a lot about us lately. Or, I care about you deeply, and I wanted to share something that's been on my heart. Keep the focus on your feelings, not expectations. And don't drop it mid-group hangout or over text. This is a one-on-one, heart-to-heart kind of thing. And here's a bonus tip. Don't declare your love and then immediately ask, so, you in or what? Give them space to feel. Okay, what if it's mutual? If the feeling is mutual, hooray! But take it slow. Just because the spark is there doesn't mean you sprint into couple mode. Start dating intentionally. Keep communication open and respect each other's comfort zones. And yes, set boundaries like, how fast are we moving? And how do we handle mutual friends? Because nothing ruins friends group faster than a messy situationship. Now, what if it's not mutual? Okay, now for the tough one. What if they don't feel the same way? First, breathe. Second, do not spiral into I'll never love again territory. Rejection doesn't mean the friendship is doomed. With time, things can settle and even strengthen. Give each other space. Respect the awkward phase, and let the friendship evolve, whatever that may look like. Make sure to keep it real. No matter how it turns out, honor the courage it took to share your truth. That's growth. Love can bloom from friendship, but not every friendship needs to turn into romance. The key? Stay emotionally honest, treat each other kindly, and remember, you're not in a rom-com. Real life takes a little more grace and a little less dramatic rain kissing. So can friends become lovers? Absolutely, but only if both hearts are in it. If you're standing at the crossroads, I hope this gave you some clarity, confidence, and a smile. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've ever gone from just friends to just married or just awkward. And before you go, be sure to check out Marica's Market for some seriously cute, heart-forward merch. Link is in the description. Be sure to watch this next video to continue improving on your relationship. Until next time, keep your heart open, your communication honest, and your friendship sacred. See you in the next video.